Sullivan just started walking.
Aiden, watch out, honey. Whoa.
Whoa.
Whoa. Haha.
Wow, he just learned how to walk. Look. Yay. He's fine.
Good, honey.
And he learned how to walk on Grandma's birthday.
This is for my grand. This is for a great idea.
What's
I
right?
got a great idea.
Look, your brother's walking.
Sullivan walk for Grandma's birthday.
Yeah, he walked for Grandma's birthday. That's right.
Hey, Mama. Hey, Mama. Hey, Mama. Hey, Mama.
What, honey?
This video is for Grandma. For her
Oh,
birthday.
okay. Okay.
He learned how to walk. Whoa.
Look, this is, look, we can make this a CD. Like a Sullivan walks Grandma's birthday.
Yeah, that's right. That's a good idea.
What, to show Grandma.
Come on, let's go over here. Come on, Sullivan. Come on.
Gotta turn it a little bit.
Here you go.
Oh.
Ah.
Why don't you stand up behind him, baby, real quick? So I can get him to walk towards me.
Okay, ready?
Got it? Okay, let's go. Let's go.
Sullivan. Look at him. You're walking. Hi.
You say
Say
hi.
hi. Hey, hi.
Say hi to the show, Sullivan.
Hi, Daddy.
You say hi too, Aiden. Oh.
Hi.
That's it? Tired?
Hi.
Hi.
Come here, Eden. Hi.
Hi.
Hi. And try one more time.
Happy birthday to you.
Grandma.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Grandma. Happy birthday to you.
Yay! That was mine. Yay! It's almost clapping. Hey, are you gonna spit? Are you gonna rack? Come on. That's it? No more?
Yes.
Okay.